Morning everyone. This is class 8 math from TV Davnagar. Dear students, we are going through factorization and today we'll do some factorization by using standard identities that we have already done 2-1, and today we will third a square minus b square equal to a plus b plus into a minus b, that we have already learnt and practiced also. So let us use. Suppose you have to factorize x square minus 16. If you observe carefully, you will see that it is in the form of a square minus b square. It is not in square form, but we can express, as we know that 4 square is equal to 16. So in place of 16 you have to write 4 square. Now it is clearly in the form of a square minus b square, where a is equal to x and b equal to 4. Therefore we can use this formula here, a plus b into a minus b. So directly use the formula a plus b, that means x plus 4, multiply a minus b, that means x minus 4. That is your required answer. Now let us take one more. Here you will see that no, either the first term or the second term, both are not in square form. So you remember, the first step of factorization is always taking out the common factor if there is any. So let us take the common factor. As you can see here, 3 is the HCF of two terms, so take out 3 outside the bracket. Now we are remaining with x square and here 4. You can check also by multiplying 3 with both terms. 3 into x square is 3x square and 3 into 4 is 12. Now further you can see that here are only 2 terms, therefore it can be expressed in the form of a square minus b square. It is already in a square form, and express 4 as 2 square. 2 square equal to 4. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, where a is equal to x and b equal to 2. Now directly apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. A plus b, that is x plus 2, multiply a minus b, that means x minus 2. That is our required answer. Okay. Now we will see the most important method, that is factorization by splitting the middle term. It is especially for quadratic polynomials, that is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are coefficients, c is a constant and x is the variable. Here it is called the middle term, and this is called constant term. Okay. Now let us take one example, x square plus 5x plus 6. Here it is middle term 5x and it is the constant term 6. Here what we have to do, we have to factorize prime factorization of 6. You can see in different ways you can factorize it. 1 into 6, 2 into 3, and so on. Now you will take that factorization where the sum of the factors is the middle term, that is 5. So you will use this one, 2 into 3, and 2 plus 3 also is 5. So we will use 2 and 3. We will break the middle term 5x in 2 parts. First is 2x and second is 3x, because their sum is 5x and the product of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, this is the method. First of all, you factorize the constant term in two parts in such a way that their sum is the middle term. Okay, now you break the middle term in two parts that we have already found out, that is 2x and 3x. So write here 2x plus 3x plus 6. Now make group of two groups, the first term and second term, third term and fourth term. To factorize this separately, take out HCF. X is the HCF here, and we are remaining with x plus 2. Now factorize the second one. Here the common factor HCF is 3, so take out 3 and we are remaining with x plus 2. We have two terms now, x into x plus 2 and 3 into x plus 2. In both the terms, the common factor you can see is x plus 2. So now take out the common factor x plus 2 outside the bracket, and we are remaining with x plus 3. X plus 3. That is the process. We will discuss this one further in the next video. Okay.